Hey guys, we're back for another Dice Masters opening. Today we've got the Harley Quinn team pack, which is the first DC team pack, I believe. It comes with 8 characters with 3 different cards each and 2 dice for each character. So if you buy 2 of these, you'll basically have full dice for everything. And you can basically play a whole team with just buying 2 of those. Yeah.
We're Adam and Dave.
Alright.
Oh no, we lost one! If that's the Harley Quinn die, I like it a lot.
No, I guess okay, that's all. Alright, so there's some characters only have 2 cards because there's also 3 basic action cards, which is interesting. So let's see what we got. We're gonna start off with Batman.
Can't have anything related to Gotham without Batman.
You mean DC?
DC, I mean. No, Gotham, because those are mostly Harley Quinn's, Batman villain.
Yeah, but
You can't have anything Batman villain related.
Die?
I believe that's his die.
Yeah.
It's kind of a cool marble-ish brown
Batman
and
like flying, or
gray.
jumping, or whatever he's doing. Next we have Catwoman.
That's not Catwoman die, then I don't know what would be.
Next we have Deadshot. He's one of the guys that's 2 cards in this. So 3.
I think I'm gonna make a pretty good team with these guys. I know I like to have some synergy with my teams.
That's a cool die. I like that one.
These are all really nice die, except for a couple of them. Like I didn't really like the Catwoman die, but
Next we have Harley Quinn. She's a nice die.
she's got the best die I'd say out of this whole set. This is probably my favorite die I've seen from Dice Masters. Period.
It's like a cotton candy.
Cotton candy die. I like that a lot.
Next we have Harley's Hyena.
Is that brown? Yeah. Was it Bot and Lou?
I think so.
I think that's their
It
name.
is called Harley's Hyena on the card though.
Bo and Lou? I
No,
can't
it's
remember.
something in Lou. Next we have Poison Ivy.
I think she has like not she's got okay die, I don't know. Just another plain
I like the colors though. I like the green,
uh,
the red.
it looks like
Next we have Power Girl, who also only has 2 character cards.
I don't understand why she's in this set, but
Who
okay.
knows?
I guess you need to have two heroes at least.
And then last character we have, who also only has 2 cards instead of 3, is the Joker. Oh, I like his die.
Yeah, it's a nice die.
Simple, but I think it fits him. And then we have 3 action cards. We have Relaxing, Target Lock, and Thrown Back. So that's it for...
It's Bud and Lou, that's what it is, not Bot and Lou. Okay.
That's what comes in the Harley Quinn team pack for Dice Masters. Again, these are only about $10, so technically you could buy 2 of these and throw together a team with just what's in here. You're going to probably need some sidekick dice and basic action die if you don't have those, but you can probably get those from other players in your area if you can find them, or just buy a starter or whatever, and yeah. So we'll have the 2 Marvel team packs in the next few videos, and some gameplay eventually too.
Ooh.
So thanks for watching.